Hey Cash Creators, where we explore the exciting world of artificial intelligence. In today's video, we'll show you how to create AI-powered products and services and, most importantly, how to sell them successfully. So if you're ready to dive into the world of AI entrepreneurship, let's get started. Hey there, I'm Money Singh, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. As we all know, artificial intelligence has revolutionized countless industries, and the possibilities are endless. So why not harness the power of AI and turn it into a profitable venture? Step 1. Let's talk about ideation. The key to creating AI-powered products and services lies in identifying a problem that can be solved with AI technology. Start by conducting market research and identifying gaps or pain points that AI can address. Once you've found a problem, it's time to move on to the next step. Step 2. Development. Now that you have your idea, it's time to bring it to life. You don't need to be an AI expert yourself. You can collaborate with AI developers or even outsource the development process. Remember, the goal is to create a product or service that seamlessly integrates AI technology and delivers value to your target audience. Step 3. Testing and refinement. Once your AI-powered product or service is developed, it's crucial to test it rigorously. Gather user feedback, iterate, and refine until you have a reliable and efficient solution. User experience should be at the forefront of your mind throughout this process. Step 4. Data collection and analysis. AI thrives on data, and the more you have, the better. Implement systems to collect and analyze relevant data to improve the performance of your AI-powered solution. This will help you enhance user experiences and stay ahead of the competition. Step 5. Marketing and selling. It's time to take your AI-powered product or service to the market. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy that highlights the unique benefits of your solution. Leverage social media, influencers, and targeted advertising to reach your potential customers. Remember, education and demonstration play a crucial role in convincing people of the value your AI-powered product or service can bring to their lives. Step 6. Customer support and feedback. Once you start selling your AI-powered product or service, don't forget about customer support. Offer assistance, listen to feedback, and continuously improve your solution based on user experiences. Happy customers will become your advocates and help you expand your reach. And there you have it, the step-by-step process of creating and selling AI-powered products and services. It may seem daunting at first, but with dedication, creativity, and a passion for innovation, you can turn your AI ideas into reality. So, are you ready to take the leap into the world of AI entrepreneurship? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Cash Creators. Also, leave a comment down below sharing your thoughts and any AI-related topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Until next time, keep innovating, keep exploring, and happy earning with AI.